passengers, they're probably shit.
No, he's alright.
Come on, he's not the city bed, he's not worse.
I landed bloody Cessna 152s on the airport, isn't it? Many years ago.
It's so far.
No, I used to fly out of a little hangar